Spiral Pattern Tool. In the 2D window, under the Pattern Shape tools, is the Spiral Pattern tool. After selecting the Spiral Pattern tool, left-click in the 2D window and a dialog box will appear. Here is where you can customize your spiral pattern. Radius. The radius allows you to set the radius at which the spiral pattern will rotate. Length. Length allows you to set the length of the inner or the outer segment line of the spiral pattern. You can use the arrows to increase or decrease the line lengths, or you can input your own specific measurement. Side. Side allows you to set the inside or the outside width of the spiral pattern. This is especially effective if you want to create a tapered ruffle. Offset. Offset allows you to adjust the spacing between spirals. This length is the distance from the center of the spiral pattern to the center of the next spiral layer. Direction. Direction allows you to set the rotation direction, clockwise or counterclockwise, of the spiral pattern.